Hello lead coders, welcome back with another lead code problem, this time medium complexity, and the problem is lead code 53, maximum subarray. The problem is that given an integer array nums, find the subarray with the largest sum and return its sum. So you don't have to find the subarray itself, only integer number sum of that subarray. And he gives an example nums of -2, -1, -3, 4, blah blah blah, and the output is 6. And why? Because subarray 4 -1 2 1 has the largest sum. And similarly, the second and the third. So how are we going to attack this problem? So we're going to use the sliding window technique again, and with that, in that technique, what we do is we say result equal to nums 0 and running sum, that's our sum at any given time, it also starts with nums 0. Then what we do is we say while, not while, I think we can do a for I in range len nums. If running sum at any given time plus nums I is greater than nums I, meaning if adding the sum so far to the current number makes the whole thing bigger than the current number, then we basically include the current number. Then we say that running sum equal to plus equal to, let's do that. So we add nums I to the running sum, right? Else we reset running sum to nums I only, right? At this point we do a result equal to max of, if the result we have seen so far, and running sum. And at the end of for loop we say return result, right? Now let's try to run this. It's saying we have made a mistake here. Running sum plus nums I greater than nums I. Okay, here I think there's extra bracket. Now it's saying running sum plus nums I is invalid syntax. If running sum plus nums I is greater than nums I, what is so invalid about it? Plus nums I is greater than nums I at any given time. Did we make a mistake here? Running sum nums, oh okay, I see, there is a problem actually. Plus nums I, so running sum of nums I, now you see. Now what is the problem? So we are running into one problem after another. So running sum plus nums I is greater than nums I. So what is the problem here? If running sum plus nums I, okay, does everything look good? Do we need a bracket here? So if running sum plus nums I, let's see that. I don't think that should be the reason. If running sum plus nums I, okay, let's see that now. Even though that doesn't sound like, okay, I think we'll need another bracket here if that is how we are going to code. Shift, there you go. Okay, so that didn't fix. So what are we missing here? If running sum plus nums I, did we, so okay, let's get rid of that. If that didn't fix it, why necessarily make things complicated? We are saying running sum plus nums I, is indexing brackets are correct? I think they do look correct, right? Oh, you know what? This is not the Python syntax, remember? So you can't do something like C style. This is what happens when you do a lot of problems at the same time. A lot of languages. I do C and Python all the time, and then I keep confusing the syntax. So now you see, that was the problem. So running some, okay, now I think it should. Is greater than, okay, here we need a missing. There you go, we are getting wrong answer now. At least there is no syntax error. So we started num sum 0 and then we went for I in, now you see, we have to start from syntax index 1. So it should be 1 comma, no sorry, range len nums, okay. Here it should be 1 comma, let's see that. There you go. So after all those not so smart errors, we finally fixed everything and we got it running, and that is what coding is all about. You should not give up because there is some issue or something. Keep investigating and you will find the root cause. So we were making some mistakes and coding it like as if it is C, so we understood that was wrong, and then there's some other bracket issue in the end, but ultimately it worked. So here the algorithm is simple, running sliding window technique. Keep the left side more or less fixed unless this condition is violated. Otherwise keep adding the current number into the running sum. If the condition is violated, then you just reset the running sum to the current number, and in the end do a max on result and running sum, and that will be your answer. So with that, we will have to say goodbye, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy leet coding. Bye bye.